Today I've got a video where I need your help, so stay tuned and help me choose my next kit that I'm going to be using for the month of July. So thanks for joining me everybody today. I really appreciate you being here on the channel. If you'd like this video and you want to participate, please make sure that you leave a comment in the bottom so that you can let me know what kit I should use. Right off, what I'm showing you here is kit number 1. This is cut and paste by My Mind's Eye from a while back. I have 4 kits that I'm going to show you, and all of them are from a real long time ago. Let's just put it that way. So I need to bust these kits. I need to make sure that I use them up, and I'm going to ask you to choose which ones you think I should do. So I have pictures that will suit all of them. That's not a problem. I've got years and years of photos. So let me know in the comment below what you think in terms of what kit that I should use to bust in July. And thanks for being here again. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps me and helps my videos be shown to other people who might like my content. And if you enjoy it, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're notified of all of my new videos. So the thing that I really enjoyed about the Cut and Paste collection, which was released many years ago, was that it had a lot of different papers. It had a lot of different really fun papers that weren't just little girl, just little boy. They could work for everybody. And so I got a lot of it. I pretty much bought nearly all the embellishments that I possibly could that came out. There were about, well, I shouldn't say all of them. There were I think 2 kits, 2 or 3 different styles of papers that came out. There was one that was really pink and blue and one that was sort of more greenish. And I picked up everything that I could find. So that's kit number 1. The second kit is by Carta Bella. It's called Well Traveled. I bought just about everything I could with this kit. I have used it once, but I still have the majority of the papers and the embellishments, and I really need to get this done, bust this out, because it's sitting there and I just love Carta Bella and I'm not using it, and I need the motivation to use it. So I have done lots of traveling. I have traveled to Europe. I have traveled to the Caribbean. I've traveled across the country to Canada. So I have lots of photos that would work with this too. So if you think that I should work with this, then make sure that you mark down below in the comments that you want me to work with kit number 2. On to kit number 3. This is by Daily Junk. This is a pink paisley kit from many, many years ago. This was kitted for me by a store that I used to shop from, and I bought the entire kit and didn't really know what was in it, but at the time I knew I loved pink paisley, and I really liked doing art journaling, and I knew that there were a lot of things in there that could really work for that. So when I picked it up, it came with the alpha, it came with some frames and tags, an ephemera kit that I haven't even opened, and then these papers. And I thought they're really pretty cool. There's some cutouts, there's some collaged papers. You can see how old this collection is just by looking at the style of the collages too. So I thought it might come in handy with art journaling, but you know, there's so many beautiful papers in this and a lot of versatility. I think there's 4 papers, 4 of each paper in this kit. So if you think I should use that, then give me a vote for number 3. Next up is another My Mind's Eye collection. This one is the Chalk It Up collection. They had several different ones for this as well. Boy, this was back in the day. This was a big thing, having all these black papers that were chalked, that were heavily distressed. It did have some really nice B-side papers though, and I really enjoyed working with this. I did a couple of pages, I think, with it, but I have the majority of it left. And I bought 2 collection kits from it, as well as the single sheets and the journal cards. So I have a lot of this left to do as well. So this is, while you look at it and you think, yeah, it could be really neutral, it's kind of, you know, it's not really given me vibes lately, and I really need some encouragement to use it. So if you love this collection and want to see how I use it, then vote for collection number 4. And that's the Chalk It Up collection. I think it was, when it was designed, it seemed like there's a lot of papers that would have been really good for like some wedding papers or couples papers, anniversaries, things like that. And I think if I do use this kit, I will probably do a lot of off the page work with it, because there are just so many different sheets that could be framed, where you could do like a canvas or something. So I might do that. We'll see. So if you like that collection, vote for number 4. And thanks for joining me today. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this and give me a thumbs up.